What is it? What is it? What is it?
What's it gonna be?
We're gonna keep it secret until I hesitate.
So you already know or you don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know either? She's kept it a secret from you?
Yeah, like this is gonna be.
I don't know. You have pink socks on. Is that an indicator?
Nothing is an indicator. I intentionally tried to be extremely gender neutral.
Little brother, little sister.
Good ass.
Is it a boy or girl? What do you think?
Boy. I think it's a boy.
Why? It's a boy.
I don't know. I just have a feeling. It's just a feeling.
I just guessed girl last time, so I'm switching to that.
Boy or girl?
Boy for sure.
Why?
Because I want to see what a Jen and Ben boy, baby boy would look like. Oh.
Is it a boy or girl?
I think it's a girl. Why?
Why?
I have no clue. I don't know.
Oh, boy.
Because?
Because Jen and Ben are too perfect not to have the perfect family.
What about you? You want a little brother or a little sister?
So perfect, she's got her dress in her
Yum, yum, yum. Wait.
He walked away. Right when I bite into the family. Boy!
Blink once for girl, blink twice.
I'm gonna turn you around so that you guys.
It's a girl. I think they're a girl family.
I think it might be a girl, but I want to say I would like it to be a boy.
Same.
Everyone's saying for boy. Is it democracy? Can we vote?
We can actually determine the outcome of the baby based on our voting. Yep.
Girl. Boy. Girl. Boy. Girl.
Can you give us a hint?
Nope. No hints.
What do you think, Lexi? Strawberry?
You're having a strawberry. In-laws are here. Ooh.
Okay.
What are their guesses? Another girl. Oh my nose. I can guess. Can you give me a hint? No. No? Aw. Dad, no?
I'm guessing girl.
I think it's pretty even.
I mean,
Yeah, it looks pretty.
50-50. The die has been cast.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, yay!
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Yay!
What's it gonna be?
What's it gonna be?
Oh, is it on the stand? I think I
Speech.
Really?
Well, congratulations, guys.
So first, I was right. Me too. Me 3. It's so fun. Oh, is it hard to keep it a secret?
It's like the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. I couldn't stop smiling and giggling like the entire time. And I would just look at Ben and say, I know what it is. Like, I probably said that to him like 10 times.
What do you imagine he's gonna be like?
I have no idea. Because we only have experience having Arya, so a boy's probably going to be totally different. My hope is that he is super chill and a good eater and a good sleeper. That's the dream. That's the dream. Please be. Please be.
All right, baby.
Be good.
You heard mama.
Be good. You hear me?
Bye.